Did you know that 22 people connected to King Tut's tomb died within 10 years of its discovery? The odds of this happening by chance are basically zero. It all started in 1922 when archaeologists cracked open the boy pharaoh's burial chamber. Lord Carnarvon, the wealthy man who paid for the expedition, entered the tomb in February. Exactly 4 months and 7 days later, he was dead from a mysterious mosquito bite that got infected. But here's where it gets really weird. The night Carnarvon died in Cairo, all the city's lights mysteriously went out. At the exact same moment, back in England, his dog dropped dead. The deaths kept coming. Photographer Harry Burton died of a strange illness. Radiologist Archibald Reed died right after x-raying the mummy. Even visitors weren't safe. Prince Ali Fahmy was murdered shortly after touring the tomb. 6 more expedition members died within a decade. Was it really just coincidence, or had they awakened something ancient and deadly?